Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. I am from SOS University, Society of Software Engineers. So we are planning to start a new batch on SQL Server DBA Advanced Performance Tuning and Query Optimization, guys. Okay. So we are planning to start SQL Server DBA Advanced Performance Tuning and Query Optimization, guys. So we are going to start this batch from October 3rd, which is coming Tuesday onwards. We are planning to start this batch from October 3rd, guys, 2023. So classes will be on every Tuesdays and Wednesdays, guys. Okay, every Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So morning timings will be morning 6:30 to 8:30 a.m. IST, and the duration we are going to cover approximately 40 plus hours, guys. Okay, we are going to cover 40 plus hours of training. So completely real-time setup with scenarios. The trainer is going to explain the real-time issues he faced, and he troubleshooted and he fixed whatever challenges he faced during the fixing of the issues. He's going to explain, he's going to share his experience with you guys. So completely it will be a real-time training, and mode of language will be English, and the trainer, his name is Chandu, and he's having 10 plus years of IT experience, SQL DB experience, and since 7 years he's teaching performance tuning, guys. So who can learn this course generally? If you're working as a SQL DBA, or else you're trying for SQL DBA jobs, okay? So for all those people, it's good, guys, good to learn this SQL Server DBA Advanced Performance Tuning and Query Optimization. Definitely, it is going to be an added advantage, added course to your resume, and your resume is going to be like highlighted, guys, if you're adding a advanced performance tuning, query optimization skills and all. Okay. And prerequisites, like who can learn, as I said, anyone with SQL DB knowledge can learn this course, guys. And we are planning for this we are planning this course for approximately 2 months. Okay, so it will take 2 months, guys. Every week we'll connect for 2 days, right? So Tuesday and Wednesday. So every day 6:30 to 8:30 IST. So we are going to connect for 2 hours, Tuesday 2 hours, Wednesday 2 hours. So like that we are going to connect every week. We'll cover 4 hours of training, guys. So like that we are expecting it will take a 2 months to complete the course, guys. Okay. So course content and all will be shared, and there are some demo videos. If you want to see how the classes will be, you can just go to YouTube and you can just type SOS University, guys. So if you type SOS University, so definitely you can see, okay, some playlists. Okay, go to the channel. This is our channel, and go to the playlists, guys. You can see advanced performance tuning. A playlist is there. We have uploaded 4 videos here, so you can just go and watch these 4 videos, and you can still join the demo classes, guys. So first 2 classes are free. You can join those 2 demo classes. So once you're comfortable, then you can continue, okay, after a registration process, guys. So the recordings will be available. Scripts, we are also going to provide the scripts for this that we are using in the demos. So it will be very helpful, guys. Again, you don't get those scripts in Google, so which are modified scripts and all. Definitely, scripts itself is a worth, guys. So if you're interested, you can send me a WhatsApp message to this number, 9902590140. Okay, so with country code +91. And if I'm not reachable in the WhatsApp, you can send an email to this swsuniversity@gmail.com, guys. Okay, swsuniversity@gmail.com. So again, we are planning to start a new batch on SQL DB Advanced Performance Tuning and Query Optimization. Okay, and this batch is going to start from 3rd October 2023, guys, and timings will be 6:30 to 8:30 a.m. IST, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.